Good morning everyone. So today I'll be explaining you the second chapter of civics of class 8. The topic is understanding secularism. So children, can you say me what is secularism? Secularism refers to the separation of religion from state. The Indian Constitution allows individuals the freedom to live by their religious beliefs and practices. So, why is it important to separate religion from state? Almost all the countries of the world will have more than one religious group living in them. Within these religious groups, there will be one group that is in majority. If a majority religious group has access to state power, then it could quite easily use their power and financial resources to discriminate against and persecute persons of other religions. This tyranny of the majority could result in discrimination, coercion, and even killing of the religious minorities. So, there is a new term for you. What is tyranny? So, tyranny means the cruel and oppressive government or rule. Therefore, the tyranny of the majority and the violation of the fundamental rights is one of the reasons to separate the state and religion in the democratic societies. Another reason that is important to separate religion from state in the democratic societies is because we also need to protect the freedom of the individuals to exit from their religion, embrace another religion, and have the freedom to interpret religious teachings differently. Now let me ask you one question. What is Indian secularism? So, the Indian Constitution says that India is a secular country. It is also clearly mentioned in the preamble. According to the Constitution, only a secular state can realize its objectives to ensure the following: that one religious community does not dominate other. Second, that some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. Third, the state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of the individuals. Indian secularism works to prevent the domination. It is through a strategy of intervention. In order to prevent the religion-based exclusion and discrimination of the lower caste, the Indian Constitution has completely banned untouchability. The Indian Constitution also grants the right to set up religious communities, and it also gives them financial aid on a non-preferential basis. In Indian secularism, through the state is not strictly separate from religion, it does not maintain a principled distance. This means that any interference in religion by the state has to be based on the ideals laid in the Constitution. So children, now let me ask you one question. Can government schools celebrate a particular festival which belongs to a religion? The answer to this question is, the celebration of the religious festival within the school is a violation of the government policy of treating all religion equally. The government schools cannot promote any one religion in any way. This rule does not apply to the private schools. My another question to you is, in what way is Indian secularism different from that of other democratic countries? The answer to this question is, in USA, the separation between the state and the religion means that neither the state nor religion can interfere in the affairs of each other. There is strict separation between religion and the state in American secularism. But in Indian secularism, the state can intervene in the religious affairs. In Indian secularism, the state is not strictly separated from religion, but it maintains a principal distance with religion. So children, I hope you understood what is secular country, what is secularism, what is tyranny. So I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Thank you and have a great day ahead.